Wow, these fruits look absolutely amazing. They're all colourful and fresh, and I can't wait to enjoy them. I'm feeling really tired now, so I'm going to head off to sleep and get some good rest.
Hey, let's sneak over and take some of those fruits while no one's looking. It'll be like a secret little mission.
This seems like the perfect moment to do it. Everything's quiet and nobody is here to stop us. In which room did our friend keep all the food? I really can't remember where it is.
Okay, let's go, friend. We'll walk together and figure this out as a team. Let's just push the door open instead of breaking it. We can get inside without causing any trouble.
I'll go ahead and try first, and if it works, you can follow right behind me. The gorilla has finally gone to sleep, so now everything is quiet and we can move around without being noticed.
Sorry, but where exactly is the place we're supposed to do this?
Work together with me and do the right thing, and then you can enjoy eating whenever you're allowed to.
Few moments later.
We really should never take anything that belongs to someone else without asking for their permission first. It's much better to be honest.